Okay, now we're going to talk about the normal distribution, or the bell-shaped curve. And I'm not going to go into the details that about 68% of our data values fall within one standard deviation of the mean, 95% within two, and almost all of them, 99.7, fall within three standard deviations of the mean. What I want to talk about is so many things in the world we live in, the universe we live in, take this normal distribution. It's just the way they're distributed. Let me give an example. Let's say you were to go to the grocery store and you saw a rack of potato chips, all the same brand, and let's say they were, 16-ounce bag. And there's a whole shelf of these 16-ounce bags of chips. Well, if we took each bag and weighed each bag is not going to weigh exactly 16 ounces. Some, in this case, if the average would be 16 ounces. They're pretty close. But some of the bags are going to weigh a little more than 16 ounces. Some are going to be a little less, right? What's going to happen is most of them are going to be within one standard deviation. Let's say the standard deviation is 0.1 of an ounce. I don't know. But let's say it's not going to be very big, but 0.1 of an ounce. So when you get up to 16.1, 16.2, 16.3 ounces, there's not going to be very many bags of chips that are more than 16.3 ounces or above three standard deviations. Similarly, if we subtract 15.9, 15.8, there aren't going to be very many bags that weigh 15.7 ounces. Most of them are going to be in here, maybe within two standard deviations. That's like 95%. So, but the point is if you were to weigh each bag and draw the distribution, you're going to get a normal distribution. It's just the way things work. And so many things behave this way. They just have this normal distribution. And that's why we study the normal distribution in statistics, just because it comes up so much. And this also gives us an idea of what we mean by normal. When we say someone is normal, what do we mean? Well, this is what we mean. It's relative to everyone else in that data set. Yeah.